You have 336 candies and 12 kids. How many each? Answer, 28. Write 10 superscript 3 as a number. Answer, 1000. Find two numbers that multiply to 40. Answer, 5 and 8. Write 10 superscript 3 as a number. Answer, 1000. Write 10 superscript 3 as a number. Answer, 1000. What is 10 times 4? Answer, 40. Read this number in words, 709568. Answer, in words, 709568. Write 10 superscript 3 as a number. Answer, 1000. Which is greater, 15/4 or 7/2? Answer, 15/4. Write 10 superscript 3 as a number. Answer, 1000. What does 3 superscript 3 mean? Answer, 3 by 3 by 3 equals 27. What is 29 times 10? Answer, 290. Find two numbers that multiply to 35. Answer, 5 and 7. What is 30 times 4? Answer, 120. Write 10 superscript 3 as a number. Answer, 1000. What does 3 superscript 3 mean? Answer, 3 by 3 by 3 equals 27. Read this number in words, 908297. Answer, in words, 908297. Find two numbers that multiply to 54. Answer, 9 and 6. Read this number in words, 751547. Answer, in words, 751547. What is 6.55 times 4.57? Answer, 29.93.